Hello guys, Feyeniela here. I thought I should quickly do this. This is about how to remove the uncategorized category, the name. I'm going to show you now. When you're on WordPress and you are using, for example, categories as your menu navigation button, there is one default category. It is called the uncategorized. And if you don't know how to remove it, it can be really, really stressful. Sometimes it is very annoying. So I thought I should quickly do this to show you how to remove it from your blog. So let's go. So you come to posts, click category. So by default, you would see the uncategorized. So don't mind this my slow system today. So it says uncategorized. So this is it, and you see it is default. You cannot edit, you cannot delete it, but you can edit it. So if you want to edit, you can click and change the name, but that will not still remove it from here. Now, let me show you what I'm saying. If you have other categories other than the default one, you're able to delete. So for example, let's create a new category. Let's say new, and the slug is new, and then add new category. You will see that you're able to delete this new one, but for the default, you are not able to do that. And the reason you can't do that is because it is the default category. So there has to be a category that has to be there. So now you see this is new, and you see the option to delete. You can also toggle this and delete, however you want. But that is not possible for this. So how do you remove this uncategorized? If you want to do that, it's very simple. Come to settings on the left hand panel. Come to writing. Okay, so you have to the first thing to do is to change the default category. So to do this, you need to create a category first, a new category. Then after creating the new category, just like the way I did it, you come to writing, just under settings, then you change that new category to your default category. So depending on the kind of blog you are running, so you do that and you save. Now after saving, you now go back to your category page to delete the uncategorized, the annoying uncategorized. So that's how to delete it. It's just very simple, straightforward, just as it is. So let this save up first and then go back to that place. So great. So it is now saved. I don't know what is wrong with this thing. So it's saved now. You see default post category is now new. That can be any name. I just use new as an example. So let's go back to categories. You will see that you can now delete the uncategorized, and you can create more categories also. So for your navigation, also for your tag, post tags and all of those things. So you can do that to also arrange. It's quite good to arrange your posts. Now you see this new has become the default category. You cannot delete this again also, but this one you can now delete it. It's now deletable, or if there's any word like that. So just delete to get rid of it and wait for it, and that will be done in a moment. So let's see. Should I click it again, delete it? Um, let's try it again. All right, so it's gone anyway. So that is it. Simple as ABC. That is how to change category or how to delete category and create a new category for your WordPress website. Hope you enjoy this. Have a wonderful day.